This is a basic list of scalar and vector quantities. Mass is a scalar quantity which defines the amount of matter or substance in a body. Let's take an example of an elephant. Elephant has a mass of around 1 ton. The African full-grown elephant has a mass of around 1 ton. So the amount of matter or substance in the body of the elephant is 1 ton. Then there is the distance. Distance is the total length covered between 2 points. Let's say I go from point A to point B. So this is my total length covered between 2 points. Then there is speed. Speed is the change of distance per time. Then there is the time itself. Time has no direction. Then there is energy. Energy is the capacity of a body to do work. Then we have temperature. Temperature is the average kinetic energy of molecules in a body. Then comes power. Power is the rate of work done or energy converted. Moving on to the vector quantities, first one is force. Force is basically a push or a pull which may cause a body to start moving, to stop moving, or it may decrease the speed of a body, increase the speed of a body, or change the direction of motion. Weight is the force of gravity on a body which always pulls everything downwards. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. If I go from A to B, the gray line is my displacement. If the gray line is my distance, and the blue line, this one which I'm making right now, is my displacement. Now it has a specific direction. Velocity is simple speed with direction. Then there is torque. Torque is defined as the turning effect of a force. So these are the basic physical quantities divided into scalar and vector, which will come across in this course. You may come across more scalar and vector quantities. You just have to remember a simple concept. Scalar quantities have no direction. Vector quantities have a direction. Let's take the example of an area. Let's say the area of my house is 200 meters square. Now it has no direction, it is just an area. So area is a scalar quantity, right? So you have to determine yourself which quantity is scalar and which quantity is vector. These are the simple basic quantities which will come across in your course.